Do you feel like you're constantly reinventing the wheel with every new coaching client? Did you know that by offering group coaching, you can streamline proven systems and frameworks that you can use to deliver consistent, high quality results to your clients? Are you feeling burnt out and overwhelmed from working with too many one on one clients? Did you know that group coaching is the perfect solution to help you regain control of your schedule and work on your own terms? You want to differentiate yourself from other coaches in your niche. You want to make the impact you know you're capable of with your coaching. And by offering a group coaching program, you can stand out in a crowded market, amplify your reach, and help more people achieve their goals while growing your business. I know you're hesitant to try group coaching because you need to figure out how to create an engaging and effective program. With my proven systems and resources, you can confidently create, launch, and deliver your own successful group coaching program. First, a little bit about myself. Hi, I'm Ruth Wilson, group coaching specialist and the midwife of Impact. For the last 2 years, I have been helping coaches and experts just like you give birth to their own group coaching program and evolve into remarkable group leaders. I have seen firsthand the power of group coaching programs in helping my clients achieve their goals. And I want you to reap your own reward from coaching groups. Now, have you watched a train pull into a station before? Did you notice the powerful machine, the sleek design, and how the journey is structured to ensure everyone arrives safely and on time? Have you ever considered our successful group coaching program is like a well-oiled train? Now, running a group coaching program is somewhat like running a train journey. Both require support, guidance, and a sense of community to achieve success. A clear destination is needed. A train and a group coaching program require a certain level of investment from passengers and clients. Passengers pay for a ticket to go on the train, while clients invest time, money, and effort to receive support from their coach. In both cases, there is a level of commitment required to reach the desired destination or outcome. A train journey has multiple stops along the way, just like a group coaching program has clear milestones and goals. Each milestone represents a step closer to the destination, achieving the desired results for your clients. Just like passengers on a train share a typical journey, your clients will share a common goal and experience. Of course, each client has their own goal and challenges, but they are all united in their desire to improve their lives and achieve success. Additionally, just as a train has a conductor who manages the journey and ensures everything runs smoothly, a group coaching program needs a skilled facilitator who can handle the program and ensure participants are making progress towards their goals. Also, it's not just about delivering information. Like a train conductor, you as a coach are responsible for guiding your clients to navigate the twists and the turns of their journey towards success. Of course, there will be bumps along the way, unexpected detours, and moments of doubt. But your support and guidance are needed so that your clients can stay on track and reach their destination. It's about the community you create. In a group coaching program, your clients can interact with each other, support each other, and learn from each other. All of this fosters accountability, motivation, and inspiration. And just like a train journey, a group coaching program requires careful planning, organization, and execution to ensure a smooth and successful journey for everyone involved. How can you create a successful group coaching program like a well-run training journey? First, let's take a look at the pilot program pathway. As a train runs on a test track, a pilot program is like a test run of your group coaching program. It's a way to ensure that your program is effective and that it's what you're looking for. A pilot program is a small-scale version of your group coaching program that you can test with a select group of clients. The pilot program pathway allows you to refine your program, identify potential challenges, and make improvements before launching it on a larger scale. The pilot program pathway is a proven method for designing, delivering, and debriefing your coaching program. It involves 3 key stages. First, design. Before a train can embark on a journey, it requires preparation and ensuring it is ready. Hence, before a pilot program for group coaching begins, preparation is necessary to ensure the program is prepared to go. Then there is creating a launch plan and marketing strategies to attract clients. Before a pilot program can begin, there needs to be clarity around the program goals, target audience, program structure, signature method blueprint, curriculum outline, your offer, pricing, and the resources required to deliver the program. Next, delivery. Once a train is ready, it can embark on its journey according to the set route and schedule. Similarly, the pilot program of your group coaching begins with the selected participants starting their journey towards the desired outcomes. Delivering a group coaching program requires following a well-designed curriculum and signature method or facilitation process to ensure clients are guided through the program effectively. This may involve various activities such as presentations, discussions, workshops, coaching sessions, and other activities designed to support the participants through the program. During a train journey, adjustments may be made to ensure the journey is smooth and efficient. For example, speed, route, and maintenance adjustments may be made. Similarly, in a pilot program, adjustments may be made to ensure the program is effective and meets participants' needs. This may involve changes to the program design, delivery methods, and coaching styles. And finally, the debrief. Once a train journey is complete, a train operator often holds a debriefing to review how the journey went and identify areas for improvement. Similarly, after completing a group coaching program, it is essential to keep a debriefing session to review the program's effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. Again, this process can help determine what worked well and what could be improved for future iterations of the program. This stage involves refining your program based on the feedback and data collected. You may change your curriculum, pricing, marketing, and delivery methods to optimize your program for maximum results. Reflecting on the program's effectiveness in achieving its intended outcomes and evaluating its strengths and weaknesses are crucial at this stage. If a train journey is successful, it may be expanded to reach more destinations or serve more passengers. Similarly, if a pilot program is successful, it may be extended to reach more participants or serve more areas of need. This may involve developing a complete program or scaling up the pilot program. Now, how to apply the pilot program pathway to your coaching business? That's where our membership program comes in. We are offering a comprehensive training and support system that will guide you through each stage of the pilot program. So if you're ready to be the conductor of your own successful group coaching program and guide your clients on a journey towards their goals, join us today. Let us help you build a program that runs like a well-oiled train, delivering results and transforming lives. Join us on this journey towards success. Sign up for the Serving and Skilling Society membership program today.
Hey guys, I just want to take a moment today to give some shout out to Ruth Wilson and her group coaching program. It was amazing. It helped me get a lot of clarity on the type of group coaching program that I want to do. I've been thinking about doing a group coaching program now for about 6 months, and this came along right at the perfect time for me. So what Ruth helped me do was take that intention that I had to make a group program, but she broke it down really well into a step-by-step program, which made it very easy to follow. She has an awful lot of really good material, and I was able to construct my program, and now I know where I'm going with it. So the biggest benefit for me out of the whole experience was being able to get together with other people, and even though a lot of us were in different time zones, Ruth made it work. She was very much available for us. There was a lot of Zoom calls. I didn't even make them all, but there was a lot of time where we could speak to her one-on-one or in a group setting, and that was really helpful to understand what other people were doing. I got a lot of ideas from understanding what other people were doing. I think Ruth's best gift is that she can hear what you're trying to do, and she can make your idea better. She asks the right questions, and she's obviously done this a lot of times. So yeah, if you're on the edge of taking this program, I would just say take the leap. You won't regret it. Thanks, Ruth.